Hello lovelies, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from, and I hope you guys are doing fine. How is everything? So as you can see guys, I'm just fine as usual. So before we begin this video, I just want to use this opportunity to thank my new subscribers and also my old subscribers. Thank you guys for always watching my video. Thank you guys for your support. And if you are new here on this channel, if today is your very first time you view my video, you seeing this face on this YouTube guys, and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please kindly do me a favor by subscribing and also turn on the notification bell so that when I put in any video you can come and check it out yourself. So guys, today we're actually going to be talking about this particular product, which is Fashion Fair from Venice Fashion Fair cream. So this particular one is made for those of you who want to, it's actually made for those of you who want to lighten up your skin, for those of you who want to whiten up your skin. And I would say it's a bleaching cream. It's only when you abuse it, that is when it turns out to be a bleaching cream. So this cream is a lightening product. For those of you who are dark in complexion, if you are using it, it's just going to end up lightening your skin. But if you are fair in complexion before, just like me, you're just going to end up having white skin guys. It's really good. This product is a fast action cream that can easily help you achieve your skin lightening, skin whitening. Depends on how often you use it, and I will advise you to use it in a long time. Just use it in a period of maximum two to let me say a month and some weeks. So it will be nice for you to use it in that period. So don't use it for so long to avoid stretch mark, green vein, and other skin problem. Probably, I don't know, for me, if I use any tube that is very active and if I continue using it, it's not going to give me any skin problem, but at the end I will just end up having green veins because my skin is very sensitive. So for those of you who want to go for this Fashion Fair, you can actually use it, but please, if you are using it, be mindful of how you use it, in the sense that I won't advise you to use it just like that without you missing it. So as you can see guys, this one is new and I actually bought it for someone, and I will be sending her this product tomorrow. She followed me up on my Instagram. I think she said she saw the review I made about different tubes, and she said okay, please I should tell her the one that is good. And I just tell her Fashion Fair is good if you want to lighten up your skin. And she was like, she sent me money to help her get this particular one. I don't know if she said there is too many fake guys. So because where I normally buy my cream, and it's really, they are selling real products guys, good products. So I decided to get her this one. I said before then guys, let me make a review about it. For those of you who actually want to whiten up your skin, you can go for it. But please, this cream contains steroid guys. Any tube that is a lightening, you do contain hydrocodone. Even if they don't write it in the prescription, believe me, it must have steroid or hydrocodone guys. So in the sense that you should be mindful of how you apply it on your skin. If you want to use this along with your body cream. If you want to use it on your face, make sure you use it along with your face cream. Mix a little from it. Use this to one pack to mix 2 cans of your body cream. It's the same that if you are using any cream, don't just add everything just like this in 1 can. It's not good to end well for you. It's not good. There is no way you're probably going to get the results. You have to mix it. You have to mix it the way it will work for you. Like if you are using any cream, mix the one you probably use for 1 week or 2 weeks. If it is finished, you have to remix again. That is how cream do work on skin. If you want to have a quick action, if you want to have a quick fairness, if you want to have a quick lightening skin, this is how you have to do it. Use your Fashion Fair. So the reason why I prescribed this particular one for her, because I'm very sure when I was using it, it was really nice on my skin. And please, if you want to go for it, I actually told her not to use it summertime because it's winter time. That was the reason why I prescribed this particular product for her. it's winter time. Any cream you use on winter time, even if that cream doesn't contain a high amount of steroid or hydroquinone, it will actually lighten up your skin, because everywhere is cold. The best time to work on your skin, to lighten up your skin, to give your skin a nice look, is during winter time, guys. So this particular product, if you are a pregnant woman, guys, if you are a pregnant woman, you want to lighten up your skin, I will advise you to use this, please, because pregnant woman, I think it's even written here, guys, this cream contains steroid, guys. You don't need to apply it on your skin if you are pregnant, because to avoid stretch mark, you know, you guys normally, I don't know, I'm just saying it, please. If you are pregnant, this video is not for you. If you are a dark skin, this video is not for you. I'm not advising you to bleach or lighten up your skin or whiten up your skin, or maybe I'm not advising you to change your skin tone. If you are dark, maintain your dark. If you are white, so you can go for this, maintain your white. It's just going to help you. And also, if you are using this, it's also good, it will help you remove your dark knuckles. If you are having dark elbow, dark knee, it's also good, it will help you get rid of dark elbow knees. If you're having sunburn as well, guys, it will also help you get rid of that. But how will you achieve? The way to achieve this is, make sure you mix it half with one full can of your cream. Let me say, this is my body cream, this is my this is my hand cream, guys. Some of you know about this hand cream. I don't joke with it. I've been using this hand cream for some months. I'll even make a review about it. So this, let me say, this is my body cream now. Even if as big as it is, I don't know, maybe it might be 200 I don't know how to put it, meters, I don't know. Make sure you use half of this to mix the full can. It's the same that you can bring out the cream inside your can, mix it half and use it for 1 week. If you are done with it 1 week, you can remix it again, use it like that. You're just going to get your results. And for those of you, if you are thinking of using this cream like this, please don't use it like this if you don't want to end up having green face. So guys, that is just it, and thank you for your time, and I so much appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to keep supporting this channel by sharing, and see you guys in my next video. To have a blessed and a wonderful day. Bye bye.